Our newest listing is located in the Highlands at Ladd Park, which is down Carruthers Parkway in Franklin, Tennessee. Hi, I'm Caitlin Martin.
And I'm Tiffany Hadley, and we are the Caitlin Martin team.
Now, not only is this home special, but so is this community.
If you aren't as familiar with this area, let's first take a look at why this area is so highly sought after.
Located just a short 8 minutes away is the Berry Farms Town Center.
With tons of shopping, restaurants, even a Publix, it just adds an extra layer of convenience while living at Highlands at Ladd Park.
When people are looking to move to the Franklin area, a lot of times the biggest draw is they want to be close to downtown Franklin.
Franklin's Main Street has garnered several accolades over the years, including Best Main Street in America.
So you can stroll Main Street, enjoy the shops, restaurants, or one of the many festivals that happen here on Main Street throughout the year.
And this is just a short 15-minute drive from the Highlands at Ladd Park.
Now, located just a mile and a half up Carruthers Parkway from our listing is the entrance to a future sports park.
They'll be taking this 180 acres located just behind us and splitting it up into various sports fields for basketball, tennis, pickleball, and more.
There's also going to be other amenities, including concession stands, a playground, restrooms, really the works, and it's slated to be finished in 2025. Now that we've shown you how great this location is, we're gonna take you inside.
Now there's a lot to love about the interior of this stunning home, and you don't want to miss the primary closet.
So as you enter the home, you do have the dining room on the left-hand side, which is well appointed with the kitchen. But on the other side of the entryway is where you have the home office. It does have French doors that allow for added privacy during your workday.
So right off the dining room, we come into this beautiful kitchen space where we have tons of cabinet storage, a gas range, and that opens up right into this adorable little breakfast nook where it has large windows offering tons of natural light. Coming into the living area right off the kitchen, it's flooded with natural light, a beautiful fireplace, and it's perfect for entertaining.
Once you come up the stairs, you come into this beautiful vaulted bonus room, but that's not the best part about upstairs. Follow me into the primary. So in this home, all bedrooms are on the second level, including the primary, and this is a beautiful, generous space. But remember, I told you about the primary closet, so follow me in. Now, this, of course, is great all on its own, but wait.
There's more. Come on back. So this is being used currently as an extension to the primary closet. However, if your family's needs are different, this room could easily be converted back into a secondary bedroom.
Now, right off the kitchen is gonna be this outdoor deck, which is great to sit, enjoy a cup of coffee year-round, or perfect for entertaining.
Now, one of the perks of this lot specifically is the amount of flat area that there is, offering you the opportunity to add a pool if you'd like.
If you're looking to learn more information about this house
Or Highlands at Ladd Park,
please don't hesitate to reach out to us. All of our contact information is down below.
we'll see you in the next video.